Former Chief Minister N. Biren has emphasized his commitment to scrapping the FMR and completing the Indo-Myanmar border fencing for the security of future generations. He also asserted that he has no personal ambition to hold the office of Chief Minister. Speaking as the chief guest at a get-together function of BJP members organized by BJP Hengang Mandal at Luang Sangpham Pukri Achobomapal Community Hall today, Biren urged the 34 recognized tribes not to be swayed by provocations amid the ongoing crisis. He stressed the importance of understanding core issues and not compromising on them, asserting that illegal immigrants identified with 1961 as base year cannot remain in the state without consequences. The former chief minister advocated for a systematic approach in accordance with constitutional provisions. He also called for harmony among the state's indigenous communities. During the event, BJP workers from Hengang Mandal resolved to stand united for Manipur's integrity and work towards achieving the party's goals.
Asukam Hamoy Siang Honoraqua, Laibak Sike, Mokata, Honorquada, Yadabana Handel Lakpadona, Taubusida is a Kitan Puninu Shiva. I don't know any politics Potara Sira. The Kendra Gikana, Mama left the Yade, Irakana, Mayam Kanaraga, Amalefala Sira, I see Potara Strain. Head Siena, I Kalurab, Adubu, Handak Nahan, which the Iran Kanator Komatam to the Indian Home Minister of the Lao Haidana, Maharajga, Iga. Delhi the Moina Kalori and Horiba Miang, Manipuri issues sing. When FMR say Nagalina Suyade, Mizoram Suyade, Kanagino in Taurise, FMR Katali replies of Kanagino. Adagi fencing Kabus issue, Mizoram Suyade, Nagalin Suyade, Kanagino Taurise. Sumaina point Hangapakanda po. I quit Kumbum native. Other Equisi Amna, Mikita women Kang the Budona. Fill the way, I wonder. Innerland permit to get Horkan the Matamutang the Pabiro. I call you against the labor sing. I call you Loctuna with the Yawini have a port Kudimakama, a key late in action low way. Other